Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to make a luxurious fried rice. Why is it luxurious? Because I'm going to make use of some real huge deep sea prawn here. Yeah. So what I did with the prawn is I have actually cut off the leg and also the pointy part and remove the vein. Yeah. Then, of course, we pre-cooked some rice a few hours before. And then I have some fried garlic, some ginger, free-range egg, some premium light soy sauce, salt, my cooking appa chicken stock powder, and some white pepper. First of all, I'm going to make some prawn oil. So give it a little bit more oil here, yeah? Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the ginger slices. Saute the ginger a little bit. We're going to infuse the oil with the ginger smell so that this oil can then go and saute the prawn. Right, next thing, I'm going to put in the prawn. So we're going to fry the prawn for approximately about 3 minutes. Yeah. Many people may not know this. Prawn you should not fry more than, you should not cook it more than 4 or 5 minutes. If you cook it for too long, it will become mushy. Even for this size, XXL, it will be fully cooked in about 3-4 minutes. Yeah? Let's give it some pre-flavoring here, some fine salt. Good enough. This is after approximately 3 minutes. Right, the prawn is about 90% cooked right now. This prawn is very thick. So I'm going to set the prawn aside. So we have the prawn oil here. We are going to fry the egg. Let's give the egg a little bit of seasoning. This is light soy sauce, white pepper. Okay, I'm going to break the egg. And I'm going to push the egg to the side. I should have do the garlic first. If I add the garlic now, the garlic can be a bit too raw. I'm going to add some fried garlic straight away. This is already fried. Yeah? Oh, why I use a fried garlic instead of raw garlic here? Mainly because of my daughter. I worry she may complain. The garlic is too raw later. So now we're going to mix everything together nicely. So the oil already contains the fragrance from the prawn itself, yeah? Look at how fluffy it is. I'm going to add some premium light soy sauce. And some fine salt. And some of my cooking appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Viet restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. It's made out of 100% natural ingredients. You can add some greens if you like, yeah. My focus today is really the prawn and the egg. Put in the prawns. Some of the prawn I will leave it to garnish separately. No need to put in the ginger. I think I put all the prawn inside. And some juice. Final few stir. You won't see this kind of size of prawn inside any fried rice because this prawn, 1 kg is almost 100 ringgit. So here I have half a kg here. My prawn itself is already 50 ringgit. That's the beauty of home cooking. You can get some really nice ingredient for your loved one, yeah, for your family. Wow. So my big prawn fried rice is ready to be served. Right before serving, I'm going to give it a few dashes of white pepper. Done. Right, so here's my big prawn fried rice. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.